Greetings, spiritual G's. Just in case you feel like you've seen this before, this is the full episode of the last recording we did. This was unprepared, so yeah, please don't mind the shaky camera. But welcome back in all your groups and fraternities. Thank you so much. Let's engage in this conversation. It's going to be a two-parter, so we're going to split it into two so that it's easier to consume and you get to rewind a little bit better. Okay, hope you enjoy.
Half liter.
Yeah, okay.
So the education design to distract abantwana. Hayi designelwanga ukwenza anything engcono. Akusukuthi mistake lento yenzeka.
Yabona uphi?
Asibheke kahle. Uthatha umntana yakho from grade 1 to grade 12 for 12 years kade eya kule institution. For 12 years umntana yakho uza kimi. Every day ngene ngo8 aphume ngo4. For 12 years. After 12 years makasofa uprima baba. I mean, everything is in one. You need to be feeder.
This is his sushi. She chops and stuff.
From 8 to 4 o'clock, we are poor. Everything. I think grade 2. Everything. I think grade 2 for 12 years. We are now. I am an institution. Masapuma island to play more than 20 states of play institution. No, only play into one. The 13th one, if I spoke with is focus. I pay after also playing into an answer and scope.
Information, they have on the PGs and another one.
And when I'm remember, 8 hours they spend that when it's funny.
Now it's funny.
Oh, come on, from the Nantamba and Pambana Gala. Well, let's go in the back to the sister. What's the one master key?
Okay. Hey. Behind the scenes.
Outcome based, the outcome
and so yeah, change the food. We can smell it. Okay. Woman like country. Bafalama fit. Uvulama mall.
Nama strip clubs.
I'm prostitution by passing. We prostitution near Pasapet. My prostitution go. And then my prostitution for my feet. Who told you came?
Yeah, hey, the next thing is was Pula like Jengabotak.
But Polisa isn't forex trading. They don't have long into education. They are driver, they are helpers, they are teachers, they are trade. Zonke ziyashutha amakamera ngithi ukuzintwana zonke intwana ezifunda OP emotional ntwana redwini antwana mina teacher ankilwa ntwana hana nya trader mina ngu forex trade you know khona into bayifaka khona into
chasing the money
khona bayifaka ku DStv show nyana babethi young billionaires into azazi forex akusi TV bayamula phela laba bazokushaya manga iskele bafake TV bafake isontweni bafake lifestyle yesho balefaka lapha young billionaires yinto abaziboleka amaLamborghini phela bonto nihamba ngeLamborghini macomba phatha 38 rand akuhlangani young billionaires unemali forex yathenga iLamborghini bese phela maphatha 38 rand
by stage lezinyene
stage uhlangane kubi nephatha 38 rand abaLamborghini ngoba makuLamborghini ublomile ungabloma lapha ngamafuna phatha license ngitonza ngisho ni sport phatha le 800 rand uhlangane kubi nephatha 38 rand hamba ngeLamborghini nizohlala ungena kanjani emakhoneni webhanki nephatha 38 rand phamoni Lamborghini ungena endaweni webhanki nephatha 805 and so lento lapha zonke zibana zizinto obhekisho lakho my stage into esayibukela lento lenhle ngakhona bayayiglamorize into masayibona zonke zathi ifuna trade umuntu uthi into likhona khona anya trade mina angeke into nami ngu forex mina zonke zathi any trading gambling or Bitcoin gambling ukuthi wena uyofika umuntu athi ukuthi Bitcoin yayi 9 rand ngo1990 ngo2009 ngo2015 ya Bitcoin ya worth 10,000 rand. It's a story, someone just tells a story ukuthi lento lena I worth 10 billion rand akusukuthi billion rand. It's a story.
What is it backed by?
Like umuntu ofunsenza ukuthi Bitcoin namhlanje worth 30,000. So when you invest kule nto lena,
you know, the whole thing that I always like saying ukuthi the house will always win. So in like I get go gambling, the house would always win. So even ngale into the system, you know, from specials a shop or from how whatever it is we introduce to you guys. Yeah.
President, mayingena lapha.
Yeah.
President ikhashwe njengomuntu wasePKB.
It's fake.
Yeah. So the system will always win. Don't think ukuthi usozanda kathanda ukuthi lina khana gore le ba tshwere khanti ba tshwere lona.
Bathi bafuna izinto from Nigeria zingena kuma-shelves wase-South Africa.
Kanjani?
Do you know why?
Why?
Because who's this guy lo own South Africa?
Uruphet.
Rupert uceda ukuthenga the biggest company in Nigeria, produce canned food. So now that's why they want to make business because
But greedy, they're already owning everything, Mos.
Yeah, now so they own the biggest company in Nigeria. So now they want what? Nigeria and Nigeria. No, it's not really about those people. It's about these people.
Best cut amongst ourselves.
Yeah.
Because now why Nigeria? What? Guys, who's in charge? Eh? Yeah.
His son is the one who's.
And good to Nigeria by Kale Eli, ne? Men big lifestyle am Nigerian. I can read the ones in South Africa about perpetuating the dollar lifestyle, you know.
Dollar lifestyle and hip hop
pays, you know, basically na piano yetu. So and the third thing is ngatabazi ukuthi you're also designed, like how you're acting like this is also designed, you know, because liboma bleaching, those honeys bleacher guys, those honeys they have the best weaves, nan. So mo ibheka kanje ukuthi and like siya ownwa awuna African but the BBL
education and entertainment, television. The seven is hand in hand because whatever they teach you here, they show you there. This will get you here. Okay, hamba kanje uzofika la and then uzoba so and uyababona bonke labantu laba baphila lento lena yamthola like the generation they are selling you a lifestyle.
Yes.
Bakuthengisela the lifestyle oyibukele la ukuthi okay mawuhlala emakhaya okay uzoba mhlambe kuma skim sam kanje bantu bakuskim sam yeah okay
so
iyo le ngomayi da wela iyada yabona uyofana nabo banibani abanye bayahamba bayejozi khona la abanye bayahamba baye stage khona
cash dollar
sure bakubonise imensage
Thina seflopini thina yonke into yethi onwa ngaphandle. I-TV yethi edlalayo akudlala amashow ethu sidlaliselwa i-America decide ukuthi idlale
nanoma kuyishow engathi South African
yiyo generation
ngithi uyazi labo abo ke ngisakazelo siyakhohle ubabisa akina lawyer mara basana le awuthi hayi letha ko multi what le angifuni uyisho nisho lana kusima ngisho mara like all these shows that are for black people, like it's trash. Manje in the week ngibone another clip lo baba lo sonta kwaShembe lo muntu lo wakhe ufuna ukumtshela ukuthi yena ufuna izinto zasekamereni zibenjani and this is recorded. Ubaba umdala cabanga itime elihloniphekile ithama lentshebe bagcokile di earring tsabona tse nice tsele uzombuza ngocansi on TV. And especially as Africans, Tanti was never a thing at shorts. It happens in the bedroom and that's that. Mara, by the OPW, our perfect wedding to what? Ridicule black people and their wedding. By these trash shows, both saying cartel, Idagas are corners and Jola 99. Understand? So I'm as white in a basland and angle lena, Marasong, a slimelana Africa. Because not even the Nigerians, Lady Cash Doyle, and this lifestyle that they're living, because by perpetuate Amona and Njengobangish would understand what in Nani, you are a product of a design. For really actors so because there's nothing like Lady Wedding Tabona, they say it's a Nigerian wedding, Sartabona Kadi outfit, but everything is European. Everything is very Western.
They think they're selling drugs, Gandhi. They're selling
One understand that. And who's in charge? At the Gandhi drug cartel, who's in charge?
It's a landlocked country. It's where do you get the drugs?
Hello.
While there's war in your neighbor, all your neighbors are at war. Where are you getting drugs? You shipping them to South Africa. You shipping them all over. Yeah, you go into America. You you're producing sneakers, abuma MX, abuma Jordan. What's going on? Yabona, this is a funded program. Shuthi kahle kahle amanye
Yonke.
yonke lento esicabanga ngayo. Ngabo akusiyiyo.
Akusiyo.
Bayidizayinile.
Nababazi into ebuhlungu, nababazi. Like I'm saying, what about or qabanisa rona amongst ourselves as Africans? Hey, because we're not kwatela bo Nigeria ke. Uthi nisithathela abafasi bethu. Hey nina ni corrupt nani but they're acting like you're saying ukuthi but let the lay 1 liter mele gcwalise 1 liter. They're acting how the program was designed.
Bayicala ekudala riding from the inception nje mabacala bagaya TV bacala bayenza le
Vele.
because mongabheka wonke lama show besiloko siwabukela nje ayabheka
wonke that channel
Wonke.
wonke basiprepare lesimo lesi
Keep sharp.
yizo well, like what's the purpose? What was the purpose of this? But we create wena yizo as a director which we are keeping.
But for educational purposes.
What are you educating us on?
No, because mina ngikhumbula ne, I think I was still like early high school. Kya after yizo leli kukulukuku, it created chaos.
Chaos.
Azania creator.
Wonke ama high school.
Yeah.
Wonke ama high school bekusebenzisa ama drugs isekuthathelwa izinto ngathi amakoka.
Abafana sebafuna
Ngithi so African spirituality people science it teaches us ukuthi we think in images. We continue that actions.
Yes.
But when we think in images.
No, yeah.
Everything it creates an image. Okay, it's science.
It's science. Universal law. Yeah.
None of these really exist.
Yeah.
It's just an open space.
Sure.
In atom, just in atom. Everything is made out of an atom, and an atom is made out of 99.99% of an atom is empty space. So don't get it is gone. They are not really just an empty space. It's creating on the arms. Only I may create anything. Creating
I catch a lenda yakho sayangishaya nowadays where I feel like I'm in a simulation. Because Vlad was like, no, like locally, manifest like everything that you see, you're the one that created this world. So I literally feel I'm in a game sometimes, guys.
Sure. Sometimes those things they manifest you in return.
Yes.
Manifesta.
Yes, yeah.
Manifesta something
And ilapho sacred science as you understand the sacred science the minute because kungena naloba art lapho ke ukuthi the minute you're judging somebody it's a reflection of you. It's a reflection of you. That thing leyo ngayithandi kulo. Yeah.
And then why the music? Why bafama move? Because of baya ukuthi yonke the creator
and everything has a frequency.
The music le move like the frequency a creator. Usually is by the ngoba uzocreate isimo esikhulu. Isimo creator yithi ngeyizo. Don't music kuma ke Jackson yakutshela ukuthi music like yakutshela ukuthi we bewitch you. We cast spells through music. Sure. It's a mantra. Like singing over and over again. It's a mantra.
That's what I was saying.
Creating vibrational energy.
Thank you.
Which has a purpose.
That's what I was saying. Yes.
And only the creator of the song knows the purpose of this vibration.
So,
studio now it's gonna create that same emotion.
How the way today?
Ingoma yithi uzwa ngame emotions ukuthi man le number le yangishaya. Yeah.
And then memories at the same time.
Exactly.
Emotions avula subconscious mind yakho avula ukuthi ube open bese bafaka message ya live la message ki mozo tuli ngoma ethi ki bana ba strata bichaze you become what you see. You become that's why something was important
And it better iletho bengisho ngeprayer ukuthi it's not ukuthi prayer works. People just need to understand the science behind it. It's not holding your God is so powerful and you are repeating this thing, increasing vibration of this thing, increases the frequency of this thing. It's not for, oh my gosh, that white guy with the blue eyes is so.
That's the perspective. The God part was made in reflection to a white man. Magachi, we are making a human being in our own reflection. They are telling you, now we are making this baby so that we can make you in our reflection. Like they brainwashing you, Mara, they telling you which it's called. Mara, if you go back, Who is this God? Who is this God who is all powerful and almighty and all? Which means already saying she looks more powerful than I am. And I should listen to everything that he has to say. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Oh no, I would think we'll be good. Instead of our hands, we'll be good. Since it's too much, then we're gonna head out. We're at my home. Yeah, you can. We're still here now. Yeah. It's basically said, but I doubt it's gonna be good. So probably. Alright. I still don't know my car though. So that's what's gonna work out. Yeah. We meet us there. Okay. Yeah, I think that's
Isilungu is sophisticated fana kaloku uthathwa amagama yangithi asasifana kaloku ngesilungu ke thatha language Greece lathi usizukho amagama asesilungu like indaba ikamuthi indaba ngoba dictionary yesilungu ikhona igama uthi indaba like meaning conference meeting uzothi kona the indaba this weekend, which means so it's a meeting boxing. So you can meet him down. So still corner only. A corner you might is English. It's a sophisticated panagalo. It's a malaka
a low vibrational panagalo.
Low vibrational.
Okay, sir.
Such like for example, you praise him to bless you. The motive bless is like be blessed. That's all. He makes you blessed. Be blessed you. He's gonna make you blessed. You praise him, you raise him, praise him, you raise him.
Praising you are raising
him. You must look him already. Praise. Raise, must look him. You are raising him to bless you. You are blessed. You must not like it's like him to bless. Bindo utila mangeka.
Really?
When they're blessing, they are blessing you. Manje
sithi inhlela for in place of bless manje at least unali good rising
thathi isizulu uyangibusisa make me to be umbusi give me power ukuthi ngibusi over me over the self ngoba the self maybe over the self. There's a dark self, there's a good self. Maybe we good self, we're in control. We want to be in alignment. And so we're in between. We allow the good and we allow the cool and we allow hot. We be grand. You need to balance out these two forces.
Kata, what's your opinion on Bati Nyanga? What's Bati Tagata when you're lapa? What's your opinion on that? Abaya Bati, you can't lapa when you tagata. But I'm thinking okay, you need to know both sides, don't you?
So the music I'm going to tell
Oktaga. Hey.
It's to me.
Right behind the scenes, Oktaga. Yeah, nice. Oh, mama, that's why mama me pure more pega ukwati. Reflex, yeah.
You manifest, you pega manifest. That's why mama me told her nanga hate. Uguda onyeko expensive maguzo ku taste food. Kona no bona kona ujira koko bi. This na like we kabisha pega oli ka. We can talk a lot of I couldn't say Fagida, I said to channel Fagida.
Yeah. Hot, I call it hot work.
Warm dish.
Yeah.
And then we tell that young kindo as young kid in good and bad. Young kid, I eat the right and eat the wrong.
So, Sagmelang Bay Nyanga on as both sides, ne?
Young young kid, nothing in the show of food support.
Mangazi ukuthi bakushaye ngani and ishaya kanjani leyo ngifuna ukuthi ngikuthi
I understand.
So I need to know first ukuthi okay mangifuna ukushaya untanga ngekhe ngento eso kumele ngihlanganise lokhu naloku bese ngikuyenza kanjani and then kuzoyenzeka lento engiyifunayo and then uma uyi-reverse sowushaya i-reverse yama-elements manje ukuthi okay into counter element eliso into so and then that's why
but you know as flop being ngathi ngoba ngoba the healers of today we don't even use the elements, we don't even know how to align with the elements. It goes through, you know. Nyanga itself I received okay so
but I believe abathakathayo mhlambe they might
I think so
they might have that knowledge.
I feel so
sure.
Okay, which number is the question bawenze occultic
like Illuminati type shit secret organization
bembeke enye lady man bembeke enye lapha hey my interview nje atakhona ngathi ishile ngayishaya ngathi lento le yabona le izizga ngoba libeka ukutha ku nomungenge ngoba
olelethi
yabona
but legal
ne khona enye athakoba interview ngabe yihit iyasho ukuthi initiative kanjani iyasho ukuthi ayintabi yaya ulwandle vatwa iyasho ukuthi wakusathana leyana yomchaza vatwa ithi kwakusathana kuyeba igayilitshe bekho lapha anything inshobe yenzeka okay phobi stories sokhona yabona umuntu ukhuluma iqiniso yabona umuntu ukhuluma iplan wow ushaya yona show uyakutshena mangena ilwandle wacela waphupha aqala yafika amtshela ukuthi indoda sakufuna ilwandle silindile umakayilo epushing wabona ingene ilwandle abona ekule room abayam kulwandle wabona abantu ayile out imbamba ngamazipho ngathi nezandla zamabhubisi mayembamba imthena so mina ngathi makavukisini wavukisini malane nemakhinyana la makhiyane uright marake wayilandela makaya lapho lwandle nawe uyasho ukuthi wagcina angena thatha uyenza imithelo ukuthi akhandlela ulight
manje
nikhandlela ulight mayiphonse phosha imali esiliva
thank you
kunendawo kune-well khona isikina sokungena khona uthi mangena khona khona ungena ngo-12 ebusuku uphophamisa waphuma same mara masaphi isikhathi sokukusasa ngo-7 ntambama uhlale from 12 ebusuku until 7 ntambama bameza hayi imali nakho ngonext
ile portal
uphunza aphethe ngingeni portal tanki uphunza aphethe bamtshela lelitshe lelizwenza anything nani manje tathu sathane no uyekisa kusindisiwe ukhina
one of those
ngile opera le
imagine kangaka
ngithi beke audience ikhenya mogogo no mfethu
cabanga i-secretary kangaka
ithola nje ithe japha into eqinisile lahle yonke la ngizana bogogo nabadala banopika nomongwana Nokho ukuthi namasebenzini bayakhosha ifoni namakhemini nisiga umuntu dubulu umkela ukuthi ogeza umuntu
sure
nokho kunemithi yabo nabadala kumele batshela amasimo kwabo gogo ngoba kumele umuntu kulendinga wonke lamakhetha shayinakheni ukushaya nabo daki bodwa wakhetha ngola mina mayifika yazo anti amutshola ukuthi anti okutshola kanjani ngibala ake kulungu tshola ngabo izothi anti wakho la moyikhi kuthiwa utha koba round phemlo umzondasi la wena yebo anti wakho
uzongkhomba yena ukuthi shayele out
umuntu afika ngixabana impela saqabana endlini sofu kushawula anti ngokhimo ushaba mncane shaya khulumani yakho sengishaqecile lozekule yini ngithi ngathi hayi lo umuntu okwenzani yapha umuntu
amtshela umosha umsamo
ngoba lokho umuntu wakhe ake kumlungu nje umnyenyisayo wena ukukhula nyama itshenya nanye ucabanga umesisana umkhenya wena mcaba hamba lapha nedrobheni bheka umlungu ikuliyana ngotshutha muthatha inhlabathi lehandle yani siyitheshe le mlungu aduke nezo ngene uhlala
kusho ukuthi nenyanga sidizi ke
banyanga sidizi kwasamele ngazibanje sifake esikolweni yonke into phambili ingama zephambili isibuya kusolid mfethu from a course 8 kuphela kwabona from ushaka ubula lama-course 8 kwakuphambaniswa thina kwabona ukuthi sizibiza ngamazulu ukuphambanisa siyazi namangoni ingoni is a god ngoni spirit ndawo spirit is a god zulu sefiseni muzibiza